Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add a marriage event post on Facebook. Whether you're celebrating your big day or simply updating your life events, this step-by-step tutorial will help you share the joy with your friends and family. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap the text box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually start creating posts. Next, scroll through the options until you find the Life Events section. Tap on it to open a list of categories for different milestones in your life. Now, select the Relationship category. This is where all relationship-related events are listed. From here, choose the option labeled Marriage. This is the perfect way to announce or commemorate your special day. Once you've selected Marriage, it's time to fill in the details. Add information like your partner's name, the date of your marriage, and any other details you'd like to include. You can also add photos or tag your partner to make it more personal. After entering all the details, tap Next. At this point, you'll see an audience selector. Choose who you want to share this post with, whether it's public, just friends, or a custom group. Finally, tap Post. Your marriage event will now appear on your timeline as a special life event for everyone in your selected audience to see and celebrate. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully added a marriage event post on Facebook. It's a wonderful way to share your happiness and let others join in celebrating this beautiful milestone in your life.